In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Shipt account. Let's dive right in and take a step-by-step look at how to easily access your account. Whether you're new to Shipt or just need a refresher, this guide will get you logged in without any hassle. First things first, you need to open up your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or another one, make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once your browser is open, type in the URL bar or simply click on the link to head over to the Shipty Shop login page. You can find this by going to shiptshop.com/account login. This page is your starting point for accessing your account. When the page loads, you'll notice a clean and straightforward interface that directs you to click on Account. Many users find this layout intuitive, making the process simple and clear. Clicking Account will prompt the site to check for your login credentials, taking you to a screen where you can enter your username or email and password. Remember, accuracy here is crucial. It's always a good idea to double check that caps lock is off and that everything is typed correctly to avoid any frustrating errors. After entering your credentials, you can proceed by clicking Log In. If by chance you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an option right there to reset it. Simply click on Forgot Password and follow the prompts to regain access, making login retrieval just a few clicks away. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll notice the Home option. Clicking on Home won't disrupt your session, but will smoothly transition you to your personalized dashboard where your account overview is easily accessible. This overview displays your recent activities, pending orders, and more. It's your one-stop hub to manage everything Shipt related efficiently. Next, take a moment to check out the new Arrivals section. Conveniently located and just a click away from refreshing your screen with the latest products, this feature keeps you updated on all that's new and noteworthy in the Shipt catalog. It's a great way to discover potential must-have items or simply provoke some culinary creativity for your next shopping list. In summary, navigating through the Shipt account setup is a breeze with a little guidance. Keeping your account details secure and updated ensures a seamless shopping experience every time you log in. Thank you for joining me today in this handy guide to logging into your Shipt account. Be sure to leave a comment if you found this helpful or have any questions. Happy shopping!